you're a VR vet or a total newbie, let me introduce you to your next headset, Oculus Quest 2. Quest 2 is our most advanced all-in-one VR system yet. Setup is easy, and in no time, you'll be immersed in an expansive library of amazing games and experiences.
Operation is good.
If you're new to VR, this is a great time and a great device to get started on. Welcome to the club. It's streamlined, light, and the new soft touch strap is easier than ever to slip on and off. There's 6 gigabytes of RAM and a new blazing fast Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 platform. And all this power and speed is going to an almost 4K display. That's more pixels to experience the wonders of the world in all their breathtaking glory and make the stars of the curious tale of the stolen pets cuter and fluffier than anything digital ought to be. And since games get bigger as they get better, you can get Quest 2 with 256 gigabytes of storage built in. 3D positional audio adds another layer of realism, adapting as you move. And the controllers are our best yet, updated with new ergonomics for an even more comfortable experience. And for the ultimate in immersion, some experiences even allow you to ditch the controllers and use your hands instead. So cool. As far as experiences go, the library is massive and growing every day. Some of my favorites are Beat Saber, Phantom Covert Ops, Vader Immortal, and Arizona Sunshine. All the Quest titles work on Quest 2, and gaming is just the beginning. There's literally something for everyone. Immersive 360 videos, Netflix, live theater, 3D art pieces, concerts. And it's VR that's ready when you are. No PC or console needed. Once you set up with the Oculus smartphone app, you'll have everything you need to explore virtual worlds with just a headset and controllers. And no matter where you end up traveling, Guardian helps keep you safe so that you don't bump into any furniture. Now I gotta get back to finding those pets. See you in VR.
This is Oculus Quest, the groundbreaking all-in-one headset that brought VR into the homes of so many people. And it just got even better. Meet Quest 2. The powerful next step in our VR evolution. Quest 2 has everything you loved about Quest, plus a whole lot more. It's been streamlined and it looks great. But more importantly, it's smaller and lighter for increased comfort. And the new soft touch strap makes putting it on a cinch. Even the controllers got an upgrade for improved ergonomics. But the real exciting stuff is under the hood. The new display has over 50% more pixels than Quest. It's the highest resolution headset we've ever made. A blazing fast Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 platform means that experiences are smoother and faster than ever. And 6 gigabytes of RAM means that developers can bring deeper, more immersive stories to life. To make sure you have enough space for the latest games, Quest 2 is available with an optional 256 gigabytes of built-in storage. All this with just a headset. No annoying cables or sensors that hang on the walls. This is all-in-one VR. However, there is one cable that can expand your Oculus library. The Oculus Link. It connects your Quest 2 with a VR-ready PC, unlocking hundreds of experiences from the Rift's catalog. So you can play titles like Stormland, Asgard's Wrath, and Dead and Buried 2. And that's Quest 2. Now the only thing left is for you to try. See you in VR.